Thank you, Jane.
In January, the decomposing remains of 4 children were found in a home in southeast Washington. Their mother, Bonita Jacks, is charged with their murder now. Today, a lawsuit for $25 million was filed against the District of Columbia by the father of one of the young girls. And Chris Gordon is here now with more on that story. Chris?
He's suing the district government, claiming it was negligent. The lawsuit says the D.C. Child and Services Agency failed to respond to concerns raised back in 2007 about the welfare of his daughter. He is the father of the 16-year-old who was found dead, along with her sisters, who were 5, 6, and 11. It happened on January 9th. The decomposing bodies of the 4 young girls were discovered by marshals serving an eviction notice in the 4200 block of 6th Street in southeast Washington. Their mother, Bonita Jacks, has been charged with killing them. Now, Norman Penn Jr., the father of 16-year-old Brittany Jacks, one of the victims, has filed this lawsuit seeking $25 million from the district, alleging child abuse and neglect. Penn's lawyer, Brooks Rodney, says the failure of D.C.'s Child and Family Services Agency resulted in death.
That agency received several complaints that Brittany was possibly an endangered child, and the agency simply failed to follow up on those complaints. Had the agency followed up, they would have found out that Brittany was in grave danger, and they would have taken her out of that home as they have the authority to do per statute.
D.C. Mayor Adrian Fenty says city lawyers will look into the lawsuit.
This is a very serious issue. We said from day one that we don't think that everything that the government did was right either.
To win a lawsuit against D.C., Brittany's father has to overcome a legal obstacle called the public duty doctrine. Lawyer and legal analyst Ted Williams explains.
The doctrine grants immunity to the municipality in light of the fact that the duty that's owed is owed to the public at large and not to the individual children.
So that's going to be an obstacle in this case?
That is certainly going to be an obstacle, I believe, in this case, the public duty doctrine.
Lawyer Brooks Rodney feels this lawsuit will be successful.
It is our position that Brittany was a member of a protected class of persons to whom the District of Columbia government owed a special duty. And I do not believe that any attempt by them to invoke immunity will be successful.
In January, when the bodies of the little girls were found, family and friends asked, why wasn't there a father involved to protect the girls? We requested an interview with Brittany's father, but his lawyer declined, directing him not to speak publicly while this lawsuit is pending. The lawyer says that in 2006, Brittany Jacks disappeared with the 4 girls, and Brittany's father couldn't find her. It could take months, if not years, for this lawsuit to be resolved. Back to you both.
Chris Gordon. Chris, thank you.